Hey everybody, so we will be showing you how to build your first rig, or I should say your first couple of rigs. This setup is good for up to 4 rigs. Now what we're going to be using is that shelf right there. I am going to assemble it and show you essentially what that looks like. Eventually it will look like something like that. So I guess, we'll go step by step. We'll put it together. We'll tell you what we bought, where we bought it from, how much it was, what are the benefits of it. Obviously, it's going to be an open rig here setup. Uh, we can do 6 cards, 6 GPUs per shelf. Later on, we'll experiment with putting a little bit more per shelf just to save space. But this is a fairly compact setup, so we'll be adding the additional fans you've seen, the blue ones, in the front, bringing in the air, and the red ones in the back, taking out the air. Right now, I only got personally 3 running on a rack like that, and that's mainly because I have animals at home and I do not want them going into it on the lower end shelf. So that is why I decided we'll just build another one and we'll share it. Let me know what you guys think. Videos are to come.